Hello dear student, we hope you all are doing well.
This is a tutorial video for the exam which is going to conduct on 17th July.
Please watch this video carefully to know how to take an exam. Let's get started. So all you need to do is, you need to type portal.upseducation.in. Here you can see the screen. I would like to inform you that if you haven't created your account yet, please create your account. And if you have created your account, all you need to do is you need to click on login. Here you can see you need to type your credentials. After logging in your account, you will be able to see your course. All you need to do is you need to click on Start Study. Here's two options. One is video lecture and second is final test. To take an exam, you need to click on Final Test. Here you can see the duration of the test and total marks. You need to click on Start Study. I would like to request you that please read the instruction carefully before taking an exam. One attempt will be given to you to take an exam, so please read instruction carefully before taking an exam. After reading instructions carefully, you need to click on Agree, Proceed to Test. Here you can see the time bar and the question. There will be 50 questions. You need to attempt all questions. All you need to do is you need to click on your answer, and after that you need to click on Save and Next. Please make sure that you will be clicking on Save and Next. If you do not click on Save and Next, your answer will not be saved. So all you need to do is you need to click on Save and Next. After taking the all answers, all questions, you need to click on Submit button. But before clicking on Submit button, please take your all answers, all questions. After taking an exam, you need to click on Back to My Account and you have to wait for your result. We wish you best of luck for your exam. Thank you.